Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn on how to solve the equation 3x plus 7 equals 22 for x. So let me explain. To solve this equation, we can isolate the variable x, okay, on one side of the equation. Okay, the first step is to subtract 7, okay, to subtract 7 from both equation. So let me break down it for you. 3x plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 22 minus 7. Hope you are able to see, guys. Okay, so simplify the side of the equation we get. Okay, so now we're going to write 3x is equal to 15. Are we together? 15. Next, we want to get x. We want to get what? X by itself by dividing both sides of the equation by 3. So 3x by 3 is equal to 15 over 3. Simplify further. If we simplify further, we're going to write x is equal to 5. Okay, have you seen the steps, guys? Very simple. So in conclusion, we are saying the solution to the equation, let me write here. The conclusion to the equation 3x plus 7 equals 22 is x equals 5. You see? So the solution basically here to the equation 3x plus 7 equals 22 is x5 is x equals 5. I hope you understand, and that's it. We are done here. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel for more maths videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you.